In this video, I'm going to show you how to remove multiple audio tracks from a video in VLC step by step using a simple method that works on Windows and Mac. This is a really useful trick if you want to mute a video, strip out extra audio tracks, or create a cleaner version of your file without having to use complicated editing software. If this tutorial helps you out, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe for more easy software guides. Alright, let's jump in. First, open VLC Media Player on your computer. Once it's open, go up to the top left corner and click Media. From the drop-down menu, choose Convert or Save. If you're on Windows, you can also use Ctrl+R. On Mac, you can use Command+R. This will open the Convert window, which is where we'll remove the audio from the video. Now you'll see the Open Media tab. Here, click the Add button and browse your computer for the video file you want to edit. Select the file and open it. Once the video is added to VLC, you're ready for the next step. After that, click the Convert or Save button at the bottom of the window. This takes you to the conversion settings. Don't worry, we're not actually converting to a different type of video for quality reasons here. We're just using VLCC's export feature to create a new version of the file with the audio disabled. Next to the Profile drop-down menu, you'll see a small settings icon that looks like a wrench or spanner. Click that icon to open the profile editing options. This is the part where you control what gets included in the exported file. In the profile settings, go to the Audio Codec tab. Here, you'll see an audio box or a similar option related to audio processing. To remove the audio tracks, simply uncheck the audio box. This tells VLC not to include any audio when it creates the new video file. Once that's done, click Save to confirm the change. Now you need to choose where the finished file will be saved. Click Browse next to the Destination file box. Pick a folder on your computer, then give the new file a name so you can easily find it later. I recommend using a clear name like No Audio Version or Muted Video so you don't confuse it with the original file. Once your destination is set, you're almost finished. Click Start to begin the export process. VLC will now process the video and create a new file in the location you selected. Depending on the length and size of the video, this may take a little time, so just let it finish. When the export is complete, go to your chosen destination folder and open the new file. You should now have a version of the video with the audio removed. If your video had multiple audio tracks, this method is a simple way to export a version without them, using VLC's built-in conversion tools. And that's it. You've now learned how to remove multiple audio tracks from a video in VLC quickly and easily. If this video saved you time, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more practical tutorials like this one. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.